check this box. There should be 2 body shells in here. Let's have a quick look. Right, let's pull one out. Let's pull one of them out first. Okay. Righty. Okay, another one of these interesting body shells, guys. That's pretty cheap. I think it's about £16. And again, you can tell what it's supposed to look like. So it's obviously looks quite similar to an Audi R8. Righty, okay, there's no holes drilled on this body shell. Okay, which is good. And you see these actually come up quite a bit. Would have been nice to have some light kits inside it. But yeah, it's still got the film over it, overspray, which is pretty cool because there's certain bits if you want to spray up, you just cut them and you can spray it and it'll be on the outside, but it'll still be decent. I was thinking about turning that into a police car. I'm not exactly sure. Anyhow, let's put it on the display stand and have a wee look. Okay, so this obviously looks a little bit dull because of the overspray. You can see it on the arch, front arch there. It's peeling off a little bit. So it probably will be a bit of a brighter black. I'm not going to peel it just yet, just in case there's bits I want to spray up. That's the only reason why. So I was going to turn that into a police car. I'm still in two minds, guys, so we'll see. So this is basically 110 scale body shell. It's supposed to be 455mm long and between 195 and 200mm wide. I think obviously the front is narrower than the back, so yeah, maybe 195 at the front, 200 at the back. And it's 98mm high. The wheelbase is 260mm. Okay, so yeah, so it's painted and it's cut, which does make life a little bit easier because it does seem to fit on standard 110 scale cars. Yeah, and obviously it's got no decals applied, so you could kit it out the way that you want. It actually looks longer than what I thought, and I probably could put a spoiler on there. Let me put my little spoiler. You know my spoiler, guys. It probably won't even stay on. Ah! Come on! No, it's not gonna. It's not gonna. No, it's sloped at the back. But yeah, not too bad. Not too bad. I'm tempted to just rip off that spray film because I know it's looking really dull, but hold tight. Let's see what happens. Now the light bar that's going to fit on there will be a bit narrow, but I can just envisage what I would do to turn it into a police car. I'd have that whole side panel there. That'll be white. Front bonnet, where the middle bit will be white. All this roof bit here, which is a funky design, looks pretty cool. I'd have all that white as well. Yeah, and that'll be it. And then a short light bar at the top. I don't know, man. Let me know what you think, guys. Should I turn it into a police car? The only downside is there's no light buckets, because that would have been pretty awesome if it had light buckets. And again, I can cut here. I put the mesh, which looks better than the sticker. I could even do it on the sides over here as well. And maybe parts of the back. Yes, it could be done on the back as well. Okay, so this section here, section at the bottom here, and if I wanted to be a bit extra, over here as well. So yeah, okay, so that's the first one that's in that bag. Shall I put it under another? No, let's just move on. We've seen it. Don't need other wheels under there. Let's just get on with it.